You know, sometimes YouTube, you don't need to be all fancy and bring all your heavy equipment out. Hold on. Go ahead. Ah! You gotta get it higher than that. Alright, tube. Shot number 2 for Nate. Got a throw bag out there. Right up over the middle of the tree. Woo! Oh yeah, that was a good one. That was a good one. Yeah. Did you get it? Yeah. Right? Just like that. You bring it through. You bring it through. And then you can keep going to make up the slack, but like this is not very long tail. Tuck the tail. Right? Dress it. Cinch it.
Oh, turned off.
Turned off?
Yeah, it's black now.
Oh no, you're filming still. And then you pull it back up there. Stop, drag all the fronds to the back of the chipper. Oh yeah, baby doll. That was a good one. All done. All done, YouTube. Bye-bye, palm tree. See you later. It's going back to the truck. Give us a call today for your free estimate. 954-857-4571. Tree trimming, tree removal, stump grinding, landscape design, pest control, and lawn maintenance. Give us a call today for your free estimate. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.